Wednesday, so nobody should. I just opened up now. Okay, for now it's only maths. Yes. And for maths is simple. Yes. Hey, welcome back to the Game Class. Today we're starting our lesson every Saturday lessons, by 9 a.m. this morning. So I'm just here filling the form. Just writing my names down. So that when you purchase the form, then you can actually just fill it and sign up to this date. So make sure you come for the lesson, as you're going to be having a good time and experience here at the TUT class. It's a small beginning, which God backing us up, we're going to get something great. We're going to get somewhere great. So, with God's grace, with your help, with your support, the TUT class is going to make it big. What, Mom?
Okay, our mathematics has started.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.